Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Maangchi's Big Book of Korean Cooking, available for checkout at your local branch. For today's recipe, I will show you how to make Korean bread rolls. For your ingredients, you're going to need unsalted butter, whole milk, sugar, kosher salt, 2 eggs, 1 packet of active dry yeast, and all-purpose flour plus extra for dusting. Step 1. Melt your butter in a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Step 2. Remove your butter from the heat and you're going to add in your milk, sugar, and salt. Stir well until the sugar has dissolved, and then add in your egg, stir, and let cool to lukewarm. Step 3. Test your mixture temperature with your finger, and when it's lukewarm, add in your yeast. Let it stand for 5 minutes until foamy. Step 4. Transfer your yeast mixture to a large bowl, add in your flour, and mix for about 1 minute until your dough comes together. It will be sticky. Step 5. Cover your mixed dough and let it rise at room temperature for 1 to 1.5 hours until your dough has doubled in size. Step 6. Uncover your dough, deflate it, and then knead for a few minutes. Then recover to rise for an additional 30 minutes until it has doubled in size again. For step 7, you're going to transfer your risen dough to a floured work surface and divide it into 6 equal pieces. Cover the pieces you are not working with plastic so they don't dry out. Lightly flour your fingers and begin shaping each dough piece first into a ball and then into a rope. Carefully tuck the pieces on each end into a knot shape. For step 9, you're going to place your formed rolls on a non-stick or lined baking sheet. Then you're going to cover and let it rise on the baking sheet for about 1 hour. A good idea is when there is about 10 minutes left for your rolls to rise, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For step 10, you're going to brush your risen rolls with lightly beaten egg whites. For step 11, you're going to bake your rolls for 15 to 17 minutes until the tops are lightly brown. For step 12, you're going to remove them carefully from the oven and brush the rolls with the remaining beaten egg whites. Then you'll put back in the oven that is set to broil. Step 13. Cook on broil for 1 to 2 minutes until your rolls are golden brown and shiny. For step 14, just carefully remove them from the oven and serve hot. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me on Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day!